everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and guess what? We're here to finish out our sinking fun stuffing for the month of October. It's already October. This is just insane to me. Okay, so if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are getting into it. So I think I've made pretty good progress on my sinking funds this year. Maybe I'll do a wrap up in December just to see how much we've saved, how much we've spent, and stuff like that. But for now, let's go ahead and put some money away. I'll see you all in just a second. I realized as I hit the pause button that I was like, oh my gosh, you already have everything set up and ready to go. So, all right, let's go ahead and add that $10 to our tech envelope. And tech is not updated because I just put a little bit of money in there. I think I put like $1 or something in there. So we're gonna add a 10. So that gives us a, do we have any 20s we're gonna have to put away? Hold on a second. None of these get 20s? Oh, I'm gonna trade some of this out. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41. So we added 11. So like I said, I added like $1. Oh, 41. I'm gonna go ahead and honestly, well, no, because you know what? I probably need to take some of this out. So I'm just gonna trade for 120. Put those 10s back and leave it at that. There we go. All right, so tech is done. Yay. And then we have, because we have a lot to go through for this one, so the quicker we get going, the better. Okay. Then we have planner. Planner is not out here. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Planner gets $5. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. Ooh. 37. Oh, a 5. Let's just do that one. Okay, so 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. How many 10s am I gonna need? 1, 2, and I'm gonna need some 5s. So, all right, we're gonna trade out 1. Ooh, okay, yeah, let's do this 20. So 41. Yep, okay, there we go. 41 for planner. Yay. And yes, I do say yay each time. Nope, I do not care. Okay. Then we have cosplay and gardening gets $2. Cosplay and gardening came to the rescue in one of my other ones because I had no money. So we have 6. Yep, 7, 8. Good. Good deal. I need to fill these in. Planner, 41, 8. All right, singing bowls should be at 70 and they get 5. So let's pull out singing bowls, see where we are. Y'all, I'm gonna have an actual room to put up my singing bowls in now. So 20, 25, 30, ooh, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Now, this is a plethora of 20s, of 5s. So that's fun. I think it goes in this one. Oof. Thickums. Okay. Then we have phone, which is at 50. So it gets a 10. Let's pull it out and count it and make sure that's right. Okay. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yay. 60 in phone. So that's going up. That's nice. Then we have miscellaneous, which gets 60, which gets 5. And miscellaneous is at 15, so this should put us at 20. Yep, 20. This is good because work is picking up, and I know people are eventually the whole birthday thing is coming, even if it might just be what I anticipate is that they're gonna start hitting us back up for like holiday stuff. And I'm like, Ooh. Let me keep my money, y'all. Okay. Health gets 5. Super excited to see this health one continue to grow. Health is thick. Health is, ooh, we're going to be at 50. Okay, so 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Also, that money will roll over from last year, so we're going to see how that goes. This is the empty one. 50. Canva gets 10. Still debating on whether I'm going to even renew Canva next year. We shall see. So 20. Maybe I'll use this money to just hire a graphic designer. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Good. Okay. Oh, did we just hit 100? I think we did. Yep, we just hit 100. That's exciting. All right, 100 in Canva. And that goes in. Not me being confused. Okay, here we go. All right, and then NTTA is next, and NTTA gets 5, and that's all it's got is 5. I think NTTA and Canva were in the same one together. They should be. What's going on? Okay, there we go. That's where things got confused. There we go. Canva should be in this one. And NTTA should go in there with it. Gotta build up that NTTA. I'm using the express lanes a lot more, y'all, since I've moved and since I've been out buying stuff. I will have an update on all of that for the next video, while I'll also be doing savings updates because it goes along with my big update. So which is not the house. I've already talked about the house. I have another update that I'm looking at. So we've done all of those. Great. Okay, now it's time to do the equinox and the solstices. All right, spring equinox gets 3 as per usual. Where are we on this? Oh my goodness. 2022, 2023, 2024. There's no way. Are we already? Says I should. What did I just open? Okay, here's 2022, 2023, and 2020. Ah, okay, 20. There we go. Oh my gosh, I was confused. $3. All right, 23. I was like, there's no way I'm already done with 2024. Okay. 20. Spring is supposed to have 2022? Wait, no, it's not. 17. Oh, that number was wrong. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, it was supposed to have 20. Now it has 23. There we go. Just making sure my numbers are right. And then we're supposed to be at 8 on this one. You can see it. There's the 8. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to actually end up trading that out for probably a 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we can put those back. Grab that. Gives us 11. Right on track. Alrighty. That's for 2023 we're working on there. So let's put these 2 away. Oop, there we go. All right. Fall, which we just started, which I'll probably have more to go towards that. Here's 2021. Here's 2022. So I know I just need a 10 for 2021. Or 20 for 2021, and then actually I probably want to get some more stuff, so I think I will actually use the whole 30 for 2021. So alright then, I'm gonna take that out for me, and then let's add for fall, we are at 15. So 1, 2, 3. We should be at 18. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And do I want to trade some of those 5s? I think so. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And switch. There we go. That's 2023. All ready to go for fall equinox. And then finally winter solstice. And winter solstice should be at 25. Ooh, we're almost done with winter solstice for 2022. So that is 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep. All right, so that leaves us with, which should be at 28. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We're going to trade out that 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. And now for the one that always used to confuse me, my savings. Okay. And those are sitting right here in their section. We've got 4, and I think they all get $2. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they all get 2, so that should be 8. Sorry. Got distracted. Okay. That should be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have $1 left over, so I'll have to figure out where that $1 goes. Alright, so 11, 18, 28. Okay. Correct, they all just get 2? Yeah, they all just get 2. So I have to figure out why I have that extra $1. So house emergencies. So happy I've been collecting. Slow and steady though, y'all. Slow and steady. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for now, which means I've been doing this for 3 months. That's exciting. 2 for car emergency. We're at 8. So 9, 10. Fantastic. And hopefully if things go the way I planned for them to, I'll be able to start contributing a lot more to this, which would make me very happy. Emergency savings gets another 2. We just added some money to this. So we're at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Ooh, that's exciting. I'm going to switch that out. So that's in another one. And then 2. So this one we just added some to this one as well. So let's see where we are. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ooh, we're making some progress, y'all. We're getting some money in that savings. All right, this is everything. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know how you feel about your sinking funds. Have you gotten to that point now where you're like, I have to go in and I have to exchange funds? I've seen a lot of money exchange videos coming out, so I understand completely, because after a while you're like, I have all these ones or I don't have any ones, so you gotta make it work. But that's it. Thank you all for watching. Go ahead, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.